Hello, time once again for another Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English, and today we're looking at the past perfect. Of course, the past perfect is the past form of the present perfect, and we use it to talk about an event that happened before another event in the past. After they had eaten, they cleared the table. Had eaten, had plus the third form, the past participle. Had eaten. Eat, ate, eaten, the third form. Eat, ate, eaten. After they had eaten, they cleared the table. We are here, now, the time of speaking. They cleared the table here in the past, after they had eaten, sometime before then. So there we are. English grammar, the past perfect, it's easy peasy. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.